Hi traders, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is not your typical clean win streak. On day 16, I completely lost control of my mindset after hitting my stop loss on the first two trades. I went against my rules. Took a third trade just to recover, lost again. And just when I thought I was done, I took a $100 risk in one trade for entries $25 each. After 1 hour of watching the market like a hawk, that trade saved my day. So I started the day with $350.46. My goal was simple: 10% profit, $35.45, max risk, $24.81. But what happened next threw me off. This is the first trade. See what happened here? This was a huge bullish candle, but still it reversed into a red candle in the last 10 seconds and made me lose the first trade. This is the second trade. Wait for closing to see the result. Just closed on the level that I marked and made another loss. And that's when the spiral started. I wasn't thinking like a trader anymore. I was thinking like someone trying to chase revenge on the market. I broke my own rule and entered a third trade at random point of a bearish candle without doing full analysis. Lost again, now 3 trades down. Mindset totally gone. I closed my chart and just stared at the screen. I knew I was about to mess everything up unless I paused. So I walked away, took a break, came back and spent over an hour analyzing the next move. When I saw the right setup, I knew it was my make or break moment. I entered for positions, $25 each, risking $100 in total. Everything was riding on this. This time it worked and I won my last trade. I ended the day at $392.46. That's a profit of $38. Technically, I hit my goal, but mentally, I got humbled today. This is why trading isn't just about charts, it's about your emotions. My mind wasn't in control today, my mind was controlling me. If I didn't take that break, I could have blown up my day, maybe my entire challenge. So let this be a reminder, discipline isn't proven when you're winning, it's tested when you're losing. I failed early today, but I pulled myself back. Thanks for watching day 16. If this helped you, hit the like button so more traders see the real side of this game. I'm dropping day 17 on the 27th of May. Win or lose, it's all getting documented. Comment below if you've ever had a day like this, where your psychology almost took over. This challenge is far from over. Let's keep building.